Good morning, everybody. This morning we're waking up with a dark cloud that has been lifted. They want you to make a wish and expect the best. Follow your own life. They say your guardian angels are watching over you, and you must not doubt your own self worth. You've made good decisions in the past, and it's going to pay off very soon. Learn more about your family history and stories. It's time for harvest now, and they want you to remember to practice self love. They say that love who you are as you created perfectly. And once again, they're telling you your guardian angels are with you at this time. They're guiding you through this energy that's from the full moon. Now is your lucky time. A forgotten promise will be fulfilled. You've healed and you've claimed your independence. And a powerful ally will help you achieve your goals. You've moved away from things you know no longer serve you, and you feel that life is picking up. But stay positive. Your thoughts can shape your experience, so be sure to focus only on positive things. When you share, everyone is happy. It's a time now in the world, in your own life, in your own country, in the world, where the wrongs are being made right. And you must get up and know that the world awaits you. You've got something to give the world. Um, there is a powerful transformation coming about, and you must move away from whatever put you down in the past. They say they want you to try out new things. You will only know that you can do something if you try. Move forward in your life with positive, optimistic intentions. Stay focused on the here and now and balance your friendships. Your friendships work best when there's an equal share of giving and receiving. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.